Hello everyone, in this video I will tell you some things about this LED replacement for high intensity discharge lamps, and then I will show you the startup of this lamp in this cool tube reflector. So here we have the lamp, which is very nice, and here we have the box from this lamp. And as you can see, so this lamp is from LEDVANCE, and the name of this lamp is NAV 50 LED Fill V Amber 1600 lumen. And this NAV 50 means that this LED lamp is replacement for classic high pressure sodium lamps with 50 watts. But these HPS lamps with 50 watts have more than only 1600 lumen. But on the other side, this LED lamp has only 15 watts. And this Fill V Amber means that this LED lamp uses this filament technology. So we have here these 4 and amber filaments, as you can see, which are from some transparent base with many COG chips, which are coated with this orange phosphor layer. And thanks to this phosphor layer, we will have very nice and very warm white light with only 1800 Kelvin. As you can see here. And this very warm white light with only 1800 Kelvin is very similar to classic high pressure sodium lamps, because many HPS lamps have 2000 Kelvin. So this is very good and very nice thing. And this very warm white light has only 1.5% of blue light. And this is very good for your eyes, for your sleep, and also for the nature. And we have here some more signs, like this one, CCG, and this CCG is a sign for the conventional control gear or for the magnetic ballast. And this means that you can use this lamp with the magnetic ballast, but without any external igniter. And when you want, so you can use this lamp only with the mains. Next, we have here that this lamp has the base E27 and CRI or RA, or the color rendering index, is 70 from 100. so the color rendering is good with this lamp. The nominal lifespan is 25,000 hours with 100,000 switching cycle. And this lamp isn't dimmable, but IP is 65. IP is the international protection. And this first number, 6, is the level of protection from the other objects and from the sand. And this second number, 5, is the level of protection from the water. And these numbers are pretty high. So this lamp has very good protection. And this means that this lamp is very good for outdoor use and also for indoor use, of course. Okay, that's it. And now I will show you the startup of this beautiful LED lamp. Let's do it. As you can see, and as I said before, so we have very nice and very warm white light with this lamp. And it's very nice. And this light is very similar to classic HPS lamps. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe my channel and bye.